Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. And I will also be doing a giveaway with the palette that I'm using today, which is a palette by Morphe, which I'm going to show you guys later. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer. And to apply this, I'm taking my Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is like a small kabuki brush, which applies this primer really nicely. Then the palette I'll be playing with today is the 3503 palette by Morphe Brushes, and it's called the Fierce by Nature palette. So in today's video, you guys can win this palette. I'm gonna mention all the details on how you can win this in the description bar. And I'm gonna start with this light peachy color, and I'm gonna start blending this into my crease, but only focusing at the beginning part of my crease. I'm not gonna blend it all the way to the outer end of my eyelid. I wanna create a sort of ombre by applying different tones of eyeshadow in my crease area. So like one shade in the inner corner crease, then one shade like in the middle part, and a few shades in the outer part. This way you create like a sort of ombre with different kind of shades which kind of blend together, which I really like. So this is the first color, and I'm just gonna start blending. And I think I went in with this color like around 3 times to kind of build up the pigmentation. And I'm just gonna show you like as much as possible progress of the blending in today's video. I'm just gonna turn on some music so you can really see what I'm doing and how much I'm blending. Hopefully this is helpful. I'm gonna show you guys with every step like how much blending it takes me. Sometimes I kind of make the clips shorter because this way my video won't be like too long, but in reality like blending just takes like some time, unfortunately. Like the more you blend, the better it's gonna look, so I don't mind doing this. But if you're in a hurry and you want to do a look like this, of course you can do it, but the more you blend, like the smoother the transition is gonna be. So the more time you take, the better it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I just did with the other color, but now blending it in the inner corner area. And also each shade which I'm blending into the crease, I'm also like packing it on the eyelid. This way I get the same effect on the eyelid as I have in the crease area. So now next I'm taking this more vibrant orangey shade, and again I'm gonna do the same thing, but this time at the outer V area. Now to darken up the outer V even more, I'm taking this dark brown color which has kind of a orangey brown undertone. It's a really beautiful color, and with this shade I'm gonna focus like in the outer V, but I'm not gonna blend it as wide as I did with the previous color. You can see that one is quite up high towards the crease area and towards the end of my brow. This one I really want to focus only in this particular area where I'm blending it right now to create some shadow and some darkness. Then I'm taking this shade, which is more like a dark brown burgundy kind of color. It has a different undertone as the previous color, but I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the previous color, mainly focusing like straight in the outer V, just to make it even more dark. And this is optional if you are recreating this look but you don't want it to be too dark. You can skip this part if you don't want to. Then I'm taking one of my favorite concealers, which is the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. I applied a tiny bit on a blending brush and I'm gonna blend right underneath the outer V, like straight underneath where I blended the eyeshadow. This way it's gonna look a little bit more clean, like the blending just looks a little bit more better. And I just find this like a really easy trick to make it just look better. Then I'm gonna take this color which we used earlier for in the outer V area, and now I'm gonna press it with a flat definer brush right underneath the lower lash line. This brush is from Sigma and I do have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website. I have it linked down in the description bar. Then I'm taking this shade and that shade. I'm mixing both colors together on my brush and I'm gonna use this to blend all the way underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take my all-time favorite pencil for my waterline, which is by Morphe Brushes in the color Vibes. I'm gonna apply it in my waterline, and what I really like about this pencil is that it's like a neutral brown with a warm undertone, which makes my eye color stand out. And my eyes are kind of bluish greenish, but if you have brown eyes or green eyes, I think it's gonna look amazing as well. So if you are searching for a nice pencil for every day, I would really recommend that one. So now I'm gonna take the Roller Lash Liner from, is it even called Roller Lash Liner? I don't know. It's the Roller Liner, I think, from Benefit Cosmetics. It has like a really pointy applicator and it's just really easy to use. It's super black, as you can see in this video, and I use it very often on the go when I wanna be like really quick with my eyeliner. I have a few different pencils which I use on the go. This is one of them. I also use the Ico liquid liner very often. I believe it's called Black Magic Pencil or something. But this one I also really like because it's very black and just really easy to use. Very often in my videos I use gel eyeliner with a liquid liner on top. But when I'm just lazy and I don't want to like make too much work of it, I just use a liquid liner like this one. Then I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes before I am gonna apply my mascara. And for my mascara, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite, which I use in every video, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love how it makes my lashes look, especially like my bottom lashes. And of course, in every video, I also use fake lashes. In today's video, I'm gonna use lashes from the brand Baby Doll Cosmetics. And the style I'm gonna use today is in the number 709, which is a really nice, beautiful style, like not too dramatic, not too natural. I absolutely love how it looks in combination with today's eye look. And I'm gonna show you a tiny part of the application. I don't always do this in my videos, but now and then I like to include this for those who struggle with applying lashes. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And of course, also don't forget to join the giveaway where you can win the palette that I used in today's video. I will make sure to link all the information on how you can join the giveaway in the description bar, together with a link to some other videos that I made using this palette in case you need some more inspiration on what to do with this palette. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!